we have to multiply algebraic fractions. So we know that multiplication of algebraic fractions, we do the same like multiplication of fractions. So we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So this is equal. We will have one fraction bar, and in the numerator will be y times, and in the parentheses I will put the second numerator because we have subtraction here, so will be y squared, and 64 I can rewrite that this is 8 to second power. So we see that we have now difference of two perfect squares. So we can factorize this, and in the denominator we have a minus y. So we can factorize -1 because in the numerator we will have y minus 8, so we can reduce something if we factorize negative side, and we will have in parentheses -8 plus y. If you multiply by negative sign this expression in parentheses, you will have exactly the same what we have at the beginning, because negative times negative give me positive, and negative times positive is negative, so everything is the same like at the beginning. And we have times y plus 2. So this is equal. Now we will use formula for the difference of two perfect squares. When we have a square minus b square, this is equal a minus b times a plus b. So now we will have in the numerator y times y minus 8 times y plus 8 over, and we have this negative sign, and in parentheses first I will put positive y, and we have minus 8 and y plus 2. Now we see that we have multiplication in the numerator and denominator, so we can reduce, and we reduce numerator with the denominator always. The same expression in the parentheses with the same expression in the parentheses. So y minus 8 and y minus 8 we can cancel out. It will be 1 and 1. So now in the numerator we will have y times 1, so this is y plus 8 we have to copy, and in the denominator we have negative sign, negative times positive 1, so it will be negative. I will put this negative before this whole fraction. Positive divided by negative give me negative, and in parentheses I will have y plus 2. This is my solution.